rural areas, there is a elected committee which is known as Gram Sabha. The Gram Sabha elected a person who is responsible and taken the care of welfare of the gram, which means village, is known as Sarpanch. The Sarpanch is elected by the Gram Sabha, and one vice Sarpanch is also elected because if the Sarpanch is absent or if any chances, the vice Sarpanch will take the charge of the Sarpanch and he will announces the meeting, signs all the document behalf of the Sarpanch. So these are the compulsory functions of Gram Sabha. Construct and repair roads, bridge, drains, tanks and wells. Provide health facilities by setting dispensaries and health centers. Supplies clean drinking water. Provide primary education. Records of birth and death in the village. Keep the street and road clean. Check the spread of diseases by arranging for vaccinations and uh, enclosures. Constructs buildings and maintain cremations and burial grounds. Help farmers to develop and provide their farms and cattle. So these are the compulsory functions of a Gram Sabha, means the Sarpanch, who has been conducting all these things in the village uh, for the welfare of the gram, for the welfare of the village. These are the organal or optional functions. It is organized cattle fairs and village markets. Build playgrounds and rest houses, install television and radio sets in community centers, organize educational program. Educational programs here means uh, to develop such camps in the village so that there will be a awareness in the village, includes women sanitation and other issues, and other optional functions is for the entertainment needs for the people of the villages. The functions of the Nyay Panchayat. So we have learned about the Gram Panchayat. Here we are studying about Nyay Panchayat, the functions of Nyay Panchayat. Nyay Panchayat is the one who is giving the justice to the people. The word Nyay means justice. So Panchayat means a committee. So there is a committee who gives justice to the villagers. Panchayat tries petty civil and criminal cases, try to settle the disputes among themselves. So there will be any personal grudges between two brothers, or there will be any issue in the village, a criminal case. So the villagers will handle themselves in the panchayat. They will not go to the court first. They will handle in themselves. It can only impose small fines. It cannot send people jail. As I explained, it will not go to the court, so there will be no certain criteria to go to jail. So it will take fines. The panchayat will take fines from the criminals or from the both the parties who is having the issues and settle down them. Okay. The main purpose is to provide justice cheaply and quickly. If any sides is not satisfied with the decision of the Nyay Panchayat, they can apply to district court or the high court. Okay, so there will be only a small settlement between two parties. If one of the parties is not satisfied with the justice, so they can go to the central court or district court or high court to get them the justice. Thank you.